Now you can create another point cloud by sampling a region. So if I use the sample region, it's going to ask me for a name. So I'm just going to say parking. Or actually we already got parking, so let's just go call it ground. And it's going to ask you for the region, so I'm going to pick this parking region that we're working with here as the one to sample. And then I can choose the sampling type, so I can either do a spatial sampling or I can do a random sampling. So with random you can set the number of points. With spatial you can kind of set a spacing. So if I want one, let's say every 10 feet in this case, I'm going to click store, and it's going to take this region and sample it, and it's only going to sample a point from this point cloud about every 10 feet. So it's going to reduce the amount of points in my point cloud for this specific region. So you can see I've got a reduced sampling that's got a ground with a every 10. So now I can use this one and add or remove or keep out some of the data. So again, if I kind of zoom in on my cutting plane here, you can see that I can sample out some of these high spots and just get what's in the area that I'm really interested in.